Hello and welcome. You're with IndiaPostLive.com, India's first live interactive web television. This is a platform where you can engage with us, tell us your thoughts, your views on the topics we discuss. You can leave your posts, your comments, your video comments as well on IndiaPostLive.com. And of course, you can tweet us at @IndiaPostLive and hashtag IndiaPostLive. We look forward to hearing from you. We look forward to you engaging with us. We look forward to you creating content with us. All right. Now, tomorrow, the much-awaited film Mary Kom is set to release. And we are going to talk about it. We're going to do a very short preview of the film. India Post Live is excited about Mary Kom. Why? A, it is a biopic, and biopics, as we have done in our conversations earlier, biopics have worked. Biopics are the in thing, and a lot of people seem to be cashing on to the fact that biopics do work. B, a female protagonist. Who doesn't love that? Priyanka Chopra playing the role of MC Mary Kom, a woman who struggled to become a world boxing champion after becoming the mother to 2 children. What a story it is going to be. Well, I'm yet to watch the film. All of us are yet to watch the film. We will, of course, be doing a review of the film tomorrow. But today, a preview of the film is what awaits us. Take a look at the trailer.
क्या छिपा रहा पीछे? ये लड़की लोगों का खिलौना नहीं है।
कोच सर बोलता मैं बिल्कुल नेचुरल बॉक्सर अपा मैं जीत भी रहा हूं।
बॉक्सिंग।
बॉक्सिंग।
तुम बॉक्सर है?
अभी तक तो सिर्फ फाइटर है, लेकिन अगर तुम सिखाएगा तो बॉक्सर भी बन जाएगा।
बस।
एक चावल उगाने वाला किसान का बेटी मणिपुर का छोटा सा गांव से निकलकर 3 बार वर्ल्ड चैंपियन बनता है।
Ladies and gentlemen, India's MC Mary Kom.
Okay, as you saw, the film is produced by Viacom 18 and Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Obviously, expectations are very, very high. Sanjay Leela Bhansali has been known to make very, very grand films, large-scale productions. The film has been directed by Umang Kumar, and whether he has been able to do justice to the character of Mary Kom, the fact that she comes from a village in the northeast and she fought and struggled her way to become a world boxing championship is something we are all waiting to watch. Okay, the soundtracks of the film also are something that have gained quite a bit of attraction. We have Vishal Dadlani's Ziddi Dil, and that song also seems to, that's coming up on your screen right now, the video of that song. Obviously, the song is about her struggle, a young girl determined to become a boxer, a young girl who in her village used to fight with the boys, and now she wants to become a boxer. Her determination to make it big in the sport. Arijit Singh has also sung 2 songs, Sukoon Mila and Saudebazi. Arijit Singh, of course, you will remember him from Queen. He is a beautiful voice, a very, very popular voice in Bollywood today. And most interestingly, Priyanka Chopra herself has sung a song called Chauro or Lori. She has herself sung a song in the film. All right, so it promises to be interesting. We are all excited. How excited are all of you is what we want to know. We want you to write in to us your posts, your expectations from the film. Remember, Priyanka Chopra is the protagonist. She's starring as Mary Kom, and she kept getting advice. She has said in an interview that Mary Kom gave her a lot of insights into the way she handled her family life while she was training to be a boxer, how she handled her domestic issues, and how she moved on with her grit and determination to make it big in the sport. Sunil Thapa as M. Narjit Singh, her coach, who in fact in the film is upset when she actually gets married. He feels that she is giving up a promising career for domesticity, and of course her career does take a break and she bounces back to become a world boxing champion. Darshan Kumar as Onlur Kom, that's Mary Kom's husband. The chemistry between Priyanka Chopra and Darshan Kumar is another thing that we are kind of looking forward to see. And Rajni Basumatari as Mary Kom's mother. This is going to be a very, very interesting film, I'm sure, and we will definitely be getting you the review of the film tomorrow. But today we are all excited about what we are expecting from the film. Now we have Ankit Kumar, a film buff. Let me assure you that he's a Hrithik Roshan and a Salman Khan fan. I want to know what he has to say about a female protagonist in the film. Hi Ankit, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Ankit, you know, how excited are you about Mary Kom? Are you going to watch the film tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm excited because as a cinema lover, the trend is changing in India. Because a film like Bhag Milka Bhag has set a benchmark for a biopics in India.
Right.
Or a Pan Singh Tomar,
Yes.
I would say. And now coming Mary Kom, and especially movies are coming on sports athletes. So I guess it's an encouragement to all the athletes who are trying hard, sweating every day in the sun. So I guess this would be a really inspirational movie for all of us.
Okay, so you're not only a film buff, but you're a sports lover too. So you think that it would be inspirational.
Yeah, of course,
Do you
it
think-
would be inspirational.
Do you think a female protagonist would work?
Of course, if the stories of Mary Kom, the female protagonist will only work.
No, that's not what I meant. Of course, it's a story of
Okay.
Mary Kom, but then you see the point is you don't, you know, whenever there's a woman protagonist, for example, whether it's Vidya Balan in Kahani, Vidya Balan in Dirty Picture, you know, people talk about it. The trend is changing. Do you think, you know, she will be able to carry the film on her shoulders?
Yeah, I think now cinema lovers accept more of a good story than they want to see. Only they do not come to only see a romance of a hero fighting villains and everything. So if a movie have a story and they are giving some message, and
Yeah.
if it's a biopic, then I guess if it's doing the justice to that particular character. In case of this Priyanka Chopra, if she gives justice to Mary Kom, people would love it and watch it.
Right. Do you think the fact that, you know, there have been a lot of questions raised as to why did an actor from Northeast not play the role of Mary Kom?
Personally, I feel Priyanka Chopra was the best to
Why?
cast her. Yeah, because see, if you have to market your film in the whole nation, then a popular face and an actor like Priyanka Chopra, she then established herself, and I guess so she would connect with people more easily than bringing up with some newcomer and then coming with a movie and that to a biopic. So
Right.
first, to set the trend of biopic, you need established actors to deliver good performances with good scripts. And after that, when this trend is set up, then we can. There are many other athletes or biopics we can make. So then you can just give a chance to newcomer or particular face from that particular region. But
All right.
currently in 2014, I would say that Priyanka Chopra was the best choice to lead the character.
All right. Thanks, Ankit. Thanks for that. Now, of course, the question that I raised was also asked on various media, that why Priyanka Chopra, why not other actors hailing from the Northeast. Of course, Ankit thought that it is for commercial reasons, it is for marketing reasons, it is to draw people to the halls. But let's take a look at some of the other faces that probably could have made it there as well instead of Priyanka Chopra. First of all, we have Gitanjali Thapa. Now, Gitanjali Thapa is a national award winner. She won the Best Actress for her performance in Lies Dice. So she could probably have been a choice for the role. Then you have Karen David. Karen David is a Canadian-British actor, singer and songwriter. She was born in Shillong, and she is known best for portraying Francesca Cesca Montoya in BBC's television series Waterloo Road, and Lila in the American action film Scorpion King 2: Rise of a Warrior. Another actor who probably could have been cast. Surja Bala, born in Manipur. She is a Manipuri actor. She has appeared in over 30 films, and she is a native of Imphal, and she has fans even in Kerala. She is a very, very popular actor, and she has acted in several films, and she made her Bollywood debut in Zindagi on the Rocks. So these are some names that had come up when the biopic of Mary Kom was announced. So we have to wait and watch if Priyanka Chopra does justice to that character. All right, now here are people. We went out there and met people who are as excited about Mary Kom, and they told us why they want to watch it.
Mary Kom went through, where she is, what she is up to, and what she went through. Actually, this is what she has portrayed.
She has put in a lot of work, and I think she will do a good job in Mary Kom.
माधुरी दीक्षित तो रही नहीं, जो है उन्हीं से काम चलाना है।
प्रियंका चोपड़ा की बॉडी लैंग्वेज और शक्ल वगैरह कहीं से मैच नहीं करती है मैरी कॉम से.
She can do a portrayal of Mary Kom better than any actor.
Somebody else could have done it in a better way.
प्रियंका चोपड़ा है तो फिर तो कुछ सेंटेंस होगा ही.
I don't know.
All right, mixed reactions there, but of course tomorrow is the D-Day. Tomorrow people will announce their verdict, critics will announce their verdict. A couple of small trivia about the film that you might want to know, which might draw you to the theatres. In fact, while she was shooting for the film, Priyanka Chopra actually suffered an injury on her face, and the director decided to retain that injury. In fact, the makeup artist gave it a deeper look, and that original injury was retained during the filming to make it look more authentic. And the film Mary Kom will also be released in two versions, one for an Indian audience and one for an international audience. And thirdly, the shoot had to be postponed for a few days, in fact about more than a month, because during the filming Priyanka Chopra lost her father. And shooting resumed in June 2013 after a gap, because Priyanka Chopra lost her father. He lost a very, very long battle. He was ill for quite a while, and he lost the battle, and Priyanka Chopra had to take a break from the shooting. All right, so these are some trivia about the film. Sanjay Leela Bhansali, I had said in the beginning of the show that he is somebody who is known to make very, very grand films, a different kind of lighting altogether, as you all will remember in Saawariya. So what kind of a film will he really come up with? Is it going to be as grand, as grandiose, or is it going to be on a slightly more realistic scale? That is of course something that critics are asking and wondering. Okay, there you see some of his previous films: Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, Devdas, Saawariya, Ram Leela, and of course Guzarish.
मैं उसे शब्द के पंख दूंगा मिसना है, उसे होना सिखाऊंगा मैं.
Those were glimpses of some of Sanjay Leela Bhansali's earlier films. Now he is producing this film Mary Kom. one can't help but wonder what kind of a film this one will be. Will it be different from his previous films? And in fact, we went out there and spoke to people about it, asking them their expectations from Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
संजय लीला भंसाली एक्चुअली में एक डायरेक्टर है.
The movie very much focused on the sets and the costumes and all that. While Mary Kom is simply a biopic based on India's like the most popular face in the boxing in the female category.
सारा सुपरविजन उनका ही है. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैरी कॉम विल बी मैरी कॉम रॉक करेगी.
I think it should be because otherwise Sanjay Leela Bhansali is not gonna be in the game for long.
No one knows the story, the real story behind Mary Kom. So it's definitely going to be different.
All right, so people definitely not too sure about what to expect, but they are definitely expecting something different from Mary Kom. All right, so we've come to the end of this show. We are all excited about Mary Kom, and tomorrow we will try to bring you a review. We will also try and get you reactions of people who have gone to watch the first show of the day, and we would love to hear your thoughts as well. Today, you could write into us regarding the expectations that you have from the film after all those issues that we have raised. And also tomorrow, please do remember to write into us about what you thought of the film. Please log in to indiapostlive.com for your thoughts, your comments. Please tweet us at @IndiaPostLive and #IndiaPostLive. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.